Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 111. Which tense describes a future action that will be interrupted by another future action? A. I will work when you arrive. B. I will be working when you arrive. C. I will have worked when you arrive. D. I work when you arrive. Correct answer, I will be working when you arrive. Future continuous tense. Question number 112. Which tense describes an action that finished before another action in the past, showing a sequence of events? A. After they ate, they left. B. After they had eaten, they left. C. After they are eating, they leave. D. After they eat, they leave. Correct answer, after they had eaten, they left. Past perfect tense. Question number 113. Which tense describes an action that will be completed by a specific future deadline? A. By next week, she writes her essay. B. By next week, she will write her essay. C. By next week, she will have written her essay. D. By next week, she is writing her essay. Correct answer, by next week, she will have written her essay. Future perfect tense. Question number 114. Which tense focuses on the ongoing nature of an action that started in the past and continues to the present? A. He watches TV for 3 hours. B. He has watched TV for 3 hours. C. He has been watching TV for 3 hours. D. He is watching TV for 3 hours. Correct answer, he has been watching TV for 3 hours. Present perfect continuous tense. Question number 115. Which tense describes a past action that was ongoing for a period and led to a noticeable result in the past? A. His eyes were red because he cried. B. His eyes were red because he had been crying. C. His eyes are red because he cries. D. His eyes will be red because he will cry. Correct answer, his eyes were red because he had been crying. Past perfect continuous tense. Question number 116. Which tense emphasizes the duration of a future action that will be completed by a specific future point? A. By 2040, I will live in the city for 20 years. B. By 2040, I will have lived in the city for 20 years. C. By 2040, I will be living in the city for 20 years. D. By 2040, I will have been living in the city for 20 years. Correct answer, by 2040, I will have been living in the city for 20 years. Future perfect continuous tense. Question number 117. Which tense expresses a repeated action in the present, often with adverbs of frequency? A. She is often late. B. She often is late. C. She often was late. D. She will often be late. Correct answer, she often is late. Simple present tense. Question number 118. Which tense is used to describe a developing situation that is happening now? A. The ice melts. B. The ice is melting. C. The ice melted. D. The ice will melt. Correct answer, the ice is melting. Present continuous tense. Question number 119. Which tense is used for an action that is decided at the moment of speaking, example in a restaurant? A. I have the chicken, please. B. I am having the chicken, please. C. I will have the chicken, please. D. I had the chicken, please. Correct answer, I will have the chicken, please. Simple future tense. Question number 120. Which tense is used to talk about actions that happened at an unspecified time in the past and are relevant to the present? A. I traveled to Italy in 2010. B. I have traveled to Italy. C. I am traveling to Italy. D. I will travel to Italy. Correct answer, I have traveled to Italy. Present perfect tense. Like, comment, share, subscribe.